The 2011 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, airbags, trip computer, front stabilizer bar, chrome rear bumper, power adjustable pedals, body color door handles, rear seating roof ride handles, removable locking tailgate, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.